In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your mobile site on Wix. The process is designed to help you create a website that's not just visually appealing on desktops, but also optimized for those using mobile devices. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly transition from your desktop design to an engaging mobile layout. First things first, to get started, you'll want to locate the Switch to Mobile icon. This can be found at the top of your desktop editor. Clicking on this icon takes you into the mobile editor, where you'll notice that the layout differs slightly from your desktop site. While the core design elements, such as text, images, and buttons, are integral to both versions, the key factor here is understanding the flexibility you have with each element. On the mobile version, elements borrowed from your desktop design will automatically show up. This integration saves you time, as you won't need to recreate parts of your site from scratch. However, some elements are unique to mobile only. These are specifically optimized for a mobile-friendly view and can be added by visiting the Add to Mobile panel. This is where you can insert elements that enhance the experience for mobile users, making sure that everything looks great, regardless of the screen size. Once you've familiarized yourself with the mobile-specific elements, it's time to make use of the Mobile Tools panel. This feature is exceptionally handy for boosting engagement and simplifying navigation. Accessing it allows you to include various functionalities that could make a significant difference in how visitors interact with your site. Whether it's adding navigation aids or elements that encourage user engagement, these tools are indispensable for making your site accessible and appealing. Throughout your editing process, keep in mind that what works well on a desktop might not necessarily translate effectively to a mobile screen. Therefore, you'll want to spend some time reviewing each section of your mobile site. Pay particular attention to spacing and readability. Ensure that text is legible without needing to pinch or zoom, and that images resize appropriately for smaller screens. Finally, always preview your mobile site before publishing. This step ensures every tweak and adjustment looks just the way you intended. Viewing the mobile version in preview mode offers a realistic snapshot of what your visitors will experience and allows you to make any last-minute adjustments if something doesn't look quite right. Once you're satisfied with the preview, you're ready to publish. With these customizations in place, your mobile site, Moi, will be an effective extension of your brand and design ideology, ensuring a polished experience for every visitor. Remember, creating an engaging mobile experience is crucial, as more users are accessing sites via their phones than ever before. So, take your time in this process to make sure your mobile site delivers a seamless and enjoyable user experience.